Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $200? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sovol SV01 Pro 3D Printer. Built-in 32-bit TMC 2208 silent motherboard. More functions, more stable, super quiet. The print size of SV01 Pro is 11 by 9.5 by 11.8 inch, larger than other brands' same type printers, offers you larger printing space and more design options, enough for daily and home use. The auto bed leveling sensor CR Touch has simple structure and high precision. Perform multi-point detection on the print platform and record the height of each detection point. Stable quality, long-lasting and can be reused more than 100,000 times. Compatible with PE, sticker bed, glass bed, metal bed and other materials for 3D printing platforms. The 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen is responsive and bright with new user interface. New features of day, night mode will bring you a fresh new unique experience. The printing platform of the Sovol SV01 Pro 3D printer has strong adhesion and excellent disassembly friendliness. After printing, the model can be removed by gently bending the magnetic platform. With self-design metal direct drive extruder provides a more precise feed and return of the filament, make printing smoother and is compatible with various materials such as PLA, ABS, PEG and TPU. The replacement accessories of SV01 Pro will be coming soon. Dual Z-axis screws and stepper motors improves the accuracy and the precision of nozzles. Vertical movement with a specified Z-axis accuracy of 0.001 mm. Sovol SV01 Pro allows 3D printing and laser engraving on one device. The switch between 3D printing and laser engraving is quick and easy with just a few simple steps. Number 2. An iCubic Cobra 2 Neo 3D printer. More than 65% shorter time when printing the same model. The maximum print speed is 250 mm per second. Recommended print speed is 150 mm per second. Ensures a perfect blend of precision and performance, empowering you to bring your ideas to life with unparalleled speed and accuracy. The newly upgraded extrusion system and cooling system melt filaments quickly through the 60-watt hot end. At the same time, it is equipped with a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan to ensure rapid cooling and molding of the model. Apply the linear propulsion and input shaping functions in Marlin firmware to reduce spillage and print resonance, improve print quality and stability, and create smoother and clearer model details. Novices can also produce high-quality works for their first print. With the design of a unique module, their Z-axis offset is intelligently compensated after automatic leveling, and the Z-axis compensation value is supported to meet the needs of different users and usage scenarios, so as to start creation efficiently and easily, and also for novices. Number 3. Kingroon P3S Pro 3D Printer. Kingroon P3S Pro is a cantilever-style 3D printer with linear guide rails on both X and Z axis to enhance printer head stability and accuracy for increased printing quality. Based on a Titan direct drive extruder with a 3:1 gear ratio, Kingroon P3S Pro is able to print various 3D printing materials, including commonly used PLA, flexible materials like TPU and PEG. Compared with P3S, P3S Pro has an increased print volume of 200 times 200 mm, which further expands the printer's capability for your daily 3D printing tasks. With TMC 2225 stepper drivers, all motors on P3S Pro operate quietly. A quiet printing is certainly a plus for not disturbing your family. With a built-in switching power supply, KP3S Pro operates much safer and offers more convenience to be placed when compared with 3D printers having independent switching power supplies. Number 4. Geech Thunder 3D Printer. Geech Thunder Fast 3D Printer with acceleration of 5000 mm/s² for x-axis and 4000 mm/s² for y-axis. Geech Thunder has 4 speed modes to choose from. Print speed can reach 300 mm per second, will save 70% printing time. While maintaining high speed, the high-speed 3D printer runs at the accuracy of 0.1 mm. The X, Y axis of the FDM 3D printer are equipped with closed-loop drive will produce larger torque, faster response for stepper motor. Let the model remain stable in the high-speed printing. Dual drive all-metal gear extruder provides a stronger torque to ensure a constant supply of filament. Geech Thunder equipped with larger volume nozzle -70 watts high heating module. The filament will not jam as much in the tube, nozzle or hot end. The 3D printers comes with an all-metal constituent, net weight of 10.7 kilograms. Dual Z-axis equipped with special T-type reinforced structure, specially designed a professional damping structure for Y-axis. The fully fixed hotbed design which can effectively solve the deformation of the hotbed. The auto-leveling Miza S comes with a magnetic plate and steel sheet. Has stronger adhesion and easier to remove the models. Printing size is 10.0 by 10.0 by 10.2 inches. Geech Thunder is an auto-leveling 3D printer with the dual leveling system supports one-button automatic bed leveling. It also supports digital manual leveling with touch screen control height adjustment. Distance per adjustment 0.1 mm, so you needn't adjust the screws to leveling the hotbed, but you can also level the hotbed by A4 paper rubs to the nozzle. The 3D printer's body is pre-installed and every cable has indicate name, easy to install. Thunder has super silent motherboard. Printing sound 50 dBs. Filament break detection alarm and resume printing function. There is an RGB tricolor LED installed near the hot end, and you can adjust the mode as needed. It will be easier for you to see the details of the model. Geech Thunder with 2 high-volume heat dissipation fans at the hot end. 2 more larger auxiliary part cooling fans. These 4 fans can be turned on simultaneously with the 1-button strong cooling mode function. This enables fast cooling to ensure the quality of prints in high-speed printing mode. Number 5. Creality Ender 3v3 Say 3D Printer. Ender 3v3 Say features a max printing speed of 250 mm per second and 2500 mm/s² acceleration, which can print faster while keeping the print quality. Leveling is the basis of print quality. Ender 3v3 Say features a CR touch sensor for auto leveling and a strain sensor for auto Z offset. Just lay back and enjoy the print success. The Sprite Direct Extruder of Ender 3v3 Say works well with PLA, PETC, and flexible TPU, unlocking your creative potential. And the extruder is market proven for its reliability, as over 500,000 units have been shipped worldwide. The rigid dual Z-axis reduces Z wobbling. The Y-axis used a pair of 8 mm thick linear shafts made of strong and wear-proof steel, able to carry the build platform steadily for a lasting time. Together, they will take good care of each print. Made of strong and wear-proof steel, the linear shafts ensure a lasting, steady motion of the Y-axis. Tap extrude, and the filament will flow out of the nozzle smoothly. Tap retract, and the filament will exit quickly. So, it is effortless to replace the filament.